How to change Windows 10 system language. Today I'm going to show you how to change the system language in Windows 10. I'm going to show you two ways of getting to the settings and changing it. So for example, if right now my Windows system is in English, as you can see, I'm going to show you how to change it to Spanish, Russian, Korean, Chinese or whatever other language you want, of course, for free. So let's start. First of all, we need to get to the language settings. In order to do that, we have two ways. One of the ways would be to just go to Start button over here, then go to Settings. After we get to Settings, we need to find Time and Language and click on it. And once we get here, from the menu on the left side, we need to click on Language. And as soon as we do this, these are the language settings. So this is the first way of getting here. The second way would be just to move our mouse down here to the search box, click over here and type language. And as soon as we start typing language, as you can see over here, there is language settings, so we click here and it will take us exactly to the same settings as we saw before. So once we get here, changing the language is quite easy. All we have to do is choose Windows display language over here. If you have only one language on the list, like I do, I'm going to show you in a moment how to install additional languages. But basically, if you have more than one language, all you have to do over here is just choose the language you want, click on it, and then after restarting the computer, the language will be changed. If you have only one language, then what you need to do is click down here on Add a Windows Display Language in Microsoft Store. So we click here. And once you do this, Microsoft Store will be opened, and there you will be able to install additional language packs for free, so you will be able to change your system to any language you want. So once this opens, as you can see, there are local experience packs. That means there are local language packs over here, so all you have to do is find the language that you want to install from the list over here. So as you can see, there are Russian languages, Chinese, Thai, Netherlands, Norse, Portuguese, Polski, which is Polish, Slovensky, Sloventina, Romanian, and so on and so on. So all you have to do is find the right language on the list over here. If you would, for example, want Polish language, you would click over here. If you want Portuguese, you would click on this one. If you want Spanish, you would have to find Spanish on the list. If you cannot find a language on the list, an easier way to find it would be to click search over here, and then over here we would type language pack and then the name of the language, so for example Spanish. And once we type that and press enter, it should find for us language packs with Spanish language. As we can see, it found Spanish from Mexico and Spanish from Spain. So we can choose which of these languages we want. Let's say I want Spanish, so I would click on it. Once we click on it, it will open like this. And then, if we want to get it for free, we just click on Get, and then the language will be installed. So once we install this language over here, I'm not going to show you how it works step by step because my internet is really slow today. So after you click Get, and after you restart your computer, and you get back to these settings, over here on the list you will see, for example, English and Spanish. So all you have to do is click on Spanish, then restart the computer again, and your system will be already in Spanish or any other language you chose. So that's it for today. If you have any questions, you can ask them in the comments. I'll try to answer all of them, but I believe that you will manage to install the language by yourself, as it's super easy. And then clicking on the list and choosing the next language is also easy, so anyone can do it. But if you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comments. I'll answer all of them. And remember to hit thumbs up, subscribe our channel and share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching.